In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exchange files with Dropbox. Let's get you sharing quickly and confidently. We'll work in the Dropbox website, which is consistent across most browsers. Open Dropbox and sign in so you can see your files and folders. Navigate to the item you want to share. You can share a single file if you're sending one document or a whole folder if you want ongoing access to a collection of files. Either way works, just pick what fits your goal. Move your mouse over the file or folder to reveal the quick actions. You'll see a share button appear. Click it to open the sharing panel. From here, you have two straightforward choices. The first is to invite people by entering their email addresses. This is great when you know exactly who should have access. You can add a short message for context and send the invite right from Dropbox. The second option is to click copy link. This creates a shareable link you can paste into email, chat, or a project management tool. It's fast and flexible, and the people who receive it can open the item according to the permissions you set. Before you send anything, check permissions. You'll see a toggle to set access to Can Edit or Can View. Choose Can Edit when you want true collaboration. Recipients can update files, add new items to a shared folder, and in some cases, delete content. Choose Can View when you want to keep your original untouched. Recipients can preview and download, but they can't change anything. For sensitive documents or final deliverables, View Only is often the safest pick. If you change your mind later, just return to the Share panel to adjust access or remove it entirely. Keeping a clear naming convention for shared folders also helps everyone know what they can and can't modify. There's another handy option when you don't want to collaborate at all. Use Transfer to send a copy. Transfer creates a separate downloadable package of your files, so recipients can get the content without gaining ongoing access to your originals. It's ideal for handing off large files or final versions to clients or vendors. From the Share menu, choose Transfer, add the items you want included, create the transfer, then copy and send the generated link. Recipients will be able to download, but they won't be able to edit or see changes you make later. That's it. Pick the approach that matches your need. Direct invites for controlled access, a copied link for quick sharing, or transfer for a clean handoff.